Yes.
May, siguro not, I don't wanna say advice, because I don't consider myself as someone in a position to give advice about love, ano. Siguro what I can share siguro as my lesson for this topic lang, siguro do's and don'ts of dating coworkers in the BPO industry is eto lang, don't you dare date consider dating someone or a coworker in the BPO industry.
Mhm.
Second is love or relationship is not butterflies and rainbows all the time, right? Time or times will come wherein you will get into a fight, you will almost lose your relationship, you will have a big fight, and it's very impossible that your job will not be affected by it, right? So do
Mm.
your employers a favor na instead of kayong dalawa ang maapektuhan na absenteeism, isa na lang sa inyo. So there, that's not the number two. Number three is again, don't shit where you eat. Unless you eat
Yeah.
shit, then it's fine. Charot. Don't don't shit where you eat, right? So again, it sounds ano, it's when you say love on the floor, it sounds superficial, but it sounds really, hopeful, and it sounds like heaven. Oh, love's a production floor, but it's not just, again, this is not just about being in heaven. There's always struggles that come along with falling in love, and
Mm.
you have to be to really face it. So there and the last one is the risk of having a relationship at work is like what I said kanina, is having bias over for someone, right? Whether you're holding a position or not, bias ka talaga sa kanya. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Because if hindi mo siya love.